Welcome to Compare to Win. The best learning toys is probably one of the most exciting stages in a child's development, and choosing the right toys can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving into some fantastic options designed specifically for 3-year-olds, exploring toys that not only entertain but also stimulate their growing minds and encourage essential skills. Get ready to discover the perfect playthings to spark curiosity and foster a love for learning. Number 5. VTech Write and Learn Creative Center. This magnetic drawing board is perfect for kids. It helps them learn to write and draw, giving them a head start on language skills with fun activities. Animated demonstrations guide children. They can follow along and learn the correct way to draw uppercase and lowercase letters on this interactive board. Kids can customize the Creative Center with their name. Then, the device teaches them how to trace it step by step, making learning fun and personal. Children learn to draw by progressing through 26 different lines and shapes. This provides a wide range of options, unlike many other drawing toys. The package includes 2 AA batteries for demo use. It also comes with a stylus for drawing and writing. This drawing board is designed for children aged 3 to 6. What we like. This magnetic drawing board is perfect for little artists who are just starting out. It features interactive demonstrations to help them learn how to draw letters and shapes. If you are looking for a toy that grows with your child and provides a fun way to learn, you should consider it. What people say. The toy is very engaging and keeps the child entertained for a long time. The design is very colorful and attractive to children. It helps with hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. Number 4. Kikidex Toddler Magnetic Drawing Board. Looking for a great gift for a 1 to 3-year-old? This magnetic drawing board is perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. It's affordable and provides endless opportunities for artistic expression and learning. This drawing board enhances visual perception, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition. It's also a fantastic tool for learning letters, words, and numbers. Turn playtime into an educational adventure for your child. Designed with a durable screw-on system and adjustable legs, this drawing board is built to last. The legs are easily detachable and adjustable to 3 different heights. It provides a stable and flexible setup for your little artist. Made with top-notch ABS material, this board is non-toxic, BPA-free, and free from small parts. It has a full sealed back and rounded corners to prevent scratches. Safety is the top priority. Forget about paper and crayons. This magnetic drawing board offers an exciting and environmentally friendly way to create. With a smooth eraser, it's easy to wipe away drawings, providing hours of clean, endless fun. It's a great gift for kids. What we like. This magnetic drawing board is a great choice for toddlers. It enhances crucial skills like hand-eye coordination and color recognition. If you are looking for a safe, durable, and mess-free toy that encourages creativity, you should consider this one. What people say. The toy is well-made and durable. The colors are vibrant and appealing to young children. It's a great toy for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Number 3. Meland Doctor Kit for girls with vet dog. This doctor kit comes with everything a future doctor needs, including a cute dog toy, a doctor's coat, and a carrying bag. It includes tools like a stethoscope, syringe, and more. It's a wonderful starter kit for girls who love to pretend and dream of helping others. This set allows girls to pretend to be doctors or nurses. They can learn about medical tools and procedures. This helps them understand and feel more comfortable with doctor visits. The kit includes simulated medical tools and a nurse costume. They can take temperatures and listen to heartbeats with the included tools. It encourages imagination as they care for their dolls or animals. Role-playing games help kids develop communication and empathy. They can build confidence while pretending to cure their patients. It's a great way to encourage creativity and social skills. This kit is a hit for kids who dream of being doctors or dentists. It's ideal for pretend play, parties, and gifts. It's recommended for girls aged 3 to 8 years old. What we like. This doctor kit is perfect for kids who love to pretend. It includes a variety of medical tools and a cute dog toy. If your child dreams of being a doctor or nurse, you should consider this set to help them build confidence and develop empathy. What people say. The accessories are simple and help to portray a real vet. Has all the tools to make them role-play and comes with a cute bag. Most of the tools light up or make sounds and it's a super interactive toy set. Number 2. Soyee Magnetic Tiles, STEM Educational Toys. These magnetic tiles help toddlers learn colors, numbers, and shapes. It's a great building toy for kids to create houses and animals. It also introduces them to science concepts. These easy-to-handle magnetic tiles are safe for kids. This 32-piece kit is perfect for beginners. The standard size makes it compatible with other brands. You can play many games with these magnetic blocks, like puzzles and shadow games. These STEM-approved blocks encourage playtime and help develop skills in math and science. This is a great way to enhance your child's STEM learning while having fun. It's a fun way to create memorable family bonding and keep them away from screens. These magnet building blocks are perfect for any occasion, like birthdays and Christmas. They are a great sensory toy for kids, and they come in a beautifully designed box. Kids will definitely love it. What we like. These magnetic tiles are a fantastic way to introduce STEM concepts to your child. They encourage open-ended play and help develop math, science, and spatial skills. If you are looking for a toy that combines fun with learning, you should consider these magnetic tiles. What people say. The toy is well made and durable. The colors are vibrant and appealing to young children. It helps with hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. Number 1. SpringFlower See and Spell Matching Letter Toy. This educational toy is designed for children aged 3 to 6. It's a fun and engaging way for them to learn and develop essential skills. The set includes everything they need to get started. The set includes double-sided letter puzzle flashcards and wooden alphabet blocks. The cards provide a variety of CVC words, and the blocks are easy for little hands to maneuver. It also comes with a storage bag. This toy helps children with sight reading, spelling, and fine motor skills. It also aids in color sorting, letter recognition, and word association. It's a great way for kids to learn and play together. Encourage your kids to discover the most common sight words. When they spell a word on their own, you'll see their faces light up with pride. Learning through play makes the process easier. Spend quality time with your children while they learn. Assemble words together and enjoy meaningful activities that support their brain development. This toy is perfect for parents who want their children to have fun while learning. This puzzle set makes an exceptional gift for kids ages 4 to 6. It's a great option for classrooms, preschools, and homeschooling. Give kids an engaging screen-free experience. What we like. This See and Spell learning toy is a great way to help your child learn to read and spell. It develops sight-reading vocabulary and fine motor skills. If you like to spend quality time with your child while they learn, you should consider this educational toy. What people say. Designed to help young learners develop their reading, spelling, and cognitive skills, this toy offers both engagement and educational value in one neat package. The thickness ensures that the letters are easy for kids to handle without worrying about bending or breaking them easily. You can use the cards provided and match the letters to the words. You can do picture identification. You can use the different colors to teach and play with. Make your own words. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.